So today I have just received my fridge from Bearmach. Rather excited about that. Got that in the Black Friday deal. They already had a discount on it anyway, but then they took another 15% off, I think, which sort of just made it too hard not to buy really. So it's just turned up and I was just going to video unboxing it and see what it's all about. So I finally got it unwrapped. It's 3 different boxes that it's packaged in, so it's packaged well. So there's no mark on it. Looks pretty good, looks pretty robust. This is the 42 litre, so I wanted to go mid-range. I had a 39 litre before, so I knew that that was a good size, not too small, but then not too big, as there's normally only me or 2 people travelling with this, so it should be fine. We have a closer look. So yeah, the panel's all pretty straightforward and the buttons feel fairly good. Inside, I do like that they actually give you this basket. That just stops things getting piled up too much. Keep things separate. It smells very new. It smells quite nice actually. So here are all the parts. Normal wall plug and the cigarette lighter plug, which looks like actually a really quite long lead, which is helpful. Not that my battery box is too far away from where this fridge will sit, but that's always helpful. Instruction manual 2, and whatever this is, what's in here then? Oh right, that's the adapter for the wall plug, yeah, of course. Okay, so that's actually quite a bit bigger space in there than I thought it was going to be. The light on the side, that's quite good actually. Yeah, that's all seems pretty good so far. Put this basket back in. It's quite nice to have a divider as well. Don't always get that. Got a solid shut. Seem pretty firm tie down handles, which is good when it's in a Land Rover. I don't know, there's great light here, but just very simple. Just 15 amp fuse, and your input, and then your battery safety regulator. Presumably I'll have it on medium. I don't know, I'll have to look into that and read something in the manual. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Gonna be good. Gonna be really good to test it out. This is gonna be definitely worthwhile having. I know my previous one was definitely worthwhile. I thought I'd go and upgrade and a bit of a fancier one. Of course, the Discovery deserves it, of course. So I'll check it out running. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. If I just switch it on. There we go. Max 12. So presumably it's set to set to 0 degrees. Currently it's 12, I presume. So I've got my little thermostat in here at 21-2 degrees. Pretty warm enough. I used this in my previous fridge. Oh, that's pretty good, isn't it? That's good light. It does shadow a little bit down there. If I just turn my lights off. I think you could manage whilst camping. I'm going to, if I stick it in, it actually feels cool already. I don't know whether that's just me or or what, but yeah, it says Eco Max. That's always good. Fahrenheit, Celsius. I don't know what, apart from Fahrenheit and Celsius, I don't know what the rest mean at the moment. I have to read the book. But I will leave that to do its thing and check it in as well. And we're there. 15 minutes. I had it on the timer from when I set it to 0 degrees. And it's taken just 15 minutes, and it's about 23 degrees in here, which has dropped down to -1. I do have my gauge in here. And would you look at that? Look. Gosh, that was quick. That was on the high power mode. It feels really nice and cool in here. Sort of even temperature. Yeah, there's actually, I can feel just a touch of ice then coming onto it. And just hitting to -1. It was on the max setting. I just wanted to see how quick it would get down. About 15 minutes. I know there's nothing in there, but to me that's pretty good. If I put that back on eco mode now, it should go green. So yeah, I think it's a really good fridge. It's definitely worth a go, given the price difference between a RB fridge or a Dometic fridge, which I would like, but for the amount I use it at the moment, I think it's worth trying one of these out. So how quick that got down there to that temperature is, well, impressive so far. So I'm definitely gonna put it to the test on the next trip. So yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye fridge.